Installing the UltraSync Hub. The UltraSync Hub, the brains of the system, can be placed almost anywhere in the home. It does not have to be visible on a wall and could be in a utility closet or installed on a desk stand. Make sure that wherever you install the hub, it is able to send and receive wireless signals without obstruction or interference from other sources, such as microwave ovens. There are two mounting options: installing the UltraSync Hub on a wall or using the desk stand accessory to hold the hub. For this installation, the hub is mounted on a wall. For wall installation, choose a location near a frequently used entry-exit door, close to a power outlet. Once a location has been selected, the backup battery should be installed. Remove the battery cover with a small screwdriver. Connect the battery pack to the connector on the left. The connector is keyed so that it can only be inserted one way. Then replace the battery cover and the screw. Install the bracket on the wall by using the supplied screws. Note, holes in the wall supplying Ethernet, power, antenna, or I/O connector must line up with the holes in the back of the hub to ensure the unit mounts flat on the wall. Next, connect the power supply to the back of the hub. The connector is keyed so that it can only be inserted one way. Align the hub to the top clips on the wall bracket and then slide the hub into place so that it sits flat against the wall. Once the hub has power, we can start the setup and configuration process. The hub has voice-automated directions to assist you.